guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying out Selena Gomez's Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush, and I also wanted to revisit my Urban Decay Naked Urban Decay Honey palette because these colors are absolutely gorgeous for fall, and I haven't been playing with it and I wanted to revisit that. And I've moved from upstairs, I've moved from the other side of the room. I'm always moving my furniture around and thought I'd just switch it up for today, try to get some nice natural lighting even though the clouds are coming in and out. Anyways, if you guys would like to see my first impressions on Selena Gomez's Rare Beauty Liquid Blush and also how I created this eye look with the Urban Decay Honey palette, then just keep watching. Alright, things are moved around as they always are in my house. I just always move my furniture around. So I moved the desk back into this side of the room and thought I would revisit this area for filming while I revisit this honey palette. So I am going to go in with a fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with the shade Keeper, and I'm going to start that up on my brow bone. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Swarm, and I'm going to just bring that onto my lid. This feels like a very pumpkin spice latte look. These colors are totally perfect for fall. I love how the colors are both in the same shade range, just one is lighter than the other, and I've kept them out of the corner of my eye just to keep that brightness in there. Alright, now I'm going to take my favorite color in the palette, which is the shade Queen. It's got like a neutral kind of khaki undertone with some warmth in it as well. And I'm just going to start placing that on the outer corner. It just blends so nicely. Just keep blending that towards the center. And then I'm going to take a little bit more and go on the inner part of my lid, not up into the corner, but just staying right on my lid. Alright, now that I've finished that on both eyes, I'm just going to take a little bit of amber and that same flat brush, and I'm just going to kind of pat a little bit on to just above my crease. Just pat it and just kind of pull it through a little bit. It's just enhancing Keeper. Now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and just lightly blend it through. I'm going to go in with the shade Golden, and just the brush that comes with the honey palette. It's actually really, really good. So I'm just taking this short kind of square flat brush, and I'm just gonna kind of pack a little bit of that into the middle of my eyelid. And then just kind of pat it in with my finger just to blend it through. Now I'm just going to go in with the lightest color Flyby and just a little kind of pointed brush and just drag that along my lash line. I'm going to take an angled brush and the shade Sweet, and I'm just going to drag that under my lower lash line just to warm it up a bit. I don't want anything too dark, but I just want to take a little bit of the stark under eye out. Alright, this is the finished eye look. I love the way it turned out. I have to keep playing with this palette more often because it has such beautiful colors in it, especially the color Queen. I love that color. But all of these, I absolutely love the way this look turned out. It went from like really sunny, beautiful weather to like rainy clouds. It all just came in the past 10 minutes. I hope it gets nice because my son has soccer today and it's just been raining the past few times for them. So anyways, now we're gonna get into the blush. So out of all of her collection, just watching a lot of other reviews on her products, I feel like the blush was what people really liked the most, and we're just like a little bit goes a long way, so I'm going to be really light-handed with it because I just saw a lot of people go overboard with it, but it just blended through so beautifully, and I think that is part of her thing for her line is that it just blends out beautifully. You can use your fingers. It blends over top of other things well. And I just kind of jotted down a couple things about what she said about her product. So Rare Beauty is all about embracing your inner beauty and being comfortable with yourself and just being who you are, and it's supposed to be clean and easy, and she wanted to raise funds for mental health resources, which is amazing. So I got the shade Lucky. I wanted, was it the shade Joy? It was like, I think it was the shade Joy. It's like a peachy color, but it was out of stock in store and online. So I got it in the dewy finish, and it looks to be like a nice bright pink color. Oh yes, a very bright pink color. So this is the packaging, super pretty. And all I really have cream blushes to compare it to are my Maybelline Cheekies, and I feel like watching videos on those, they don't get a good rap, so I have nothing to compare them to. I like them, but I guess they're not very pigmented, but this is supposed to be very pigmented. So, ooh, I'm nervous. I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger and just start higher on my cheekbones and kind of go up and just follow like a half circle. And I think you can use this on the lips as well. We're just going to stick to the cheeks today. I may have put too much product on. So I did put bronzer on, like a powder bronzer. It is coming up a lot brighter in person than it is on camera. So I'm just gonna try with a brush. Definitely much more pigmented than the cheekies. But the way it blends into the skin, it's got such a natural finish to it. So it starts out this really vibrant pink color. Oh, the flush, like the natural flush on it is so pretty. I wish it was coming up on camera like it is in person. It's very vibrant, but not like an over-the-top color. The sun's back out now. So what happens, what I can see happening with the blush is it just settles into the skin so nicely. So you have this really vibrant color to begin with, and once you just, and a little bit goes a long way, but once you just start patting it into the skin, it just kind of oxidizes down and just lays really, really beautifully on the skin. So it's more vibrant in person right now than on camera, but it's just so pretty. I love it. I love the color. I don't think I need another one. Like, this is just a nice bright pink, but so beautiful. All right, guys, this is the final look. The sun is back out now. Gotta get my button gear. I have to go get my son's. Got an orthodontist appointment. My crock pot broke, so the roast is in the oven now, and got a plan for the evening. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the eye look and seeing the Selena Gomez blush. I think that is her standout product from her line Rare Beauty, but who knows, I might dabble into some of her other stuff because I loved that one so much. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.